Hi there, this is my review of the Honiture S12 cordless vacuum cleaner I picked up off of Amazon. I'll just do a quick unboxing right now. So shipped to me within 1 day, comes in this really nice package, and inside, as soon as you open it up, you got all your components. It looks like the accessories. You got the S12 manual here. And so, yeah, so you got all the accessories here. We got this looks like a dedicated pet brush here. This looks like a corner or like wall brush. You have here a power adapter, which I presume here is to charge the battery. You got a brush here for corners, like those finicky corners, you know, in your car and things like that. Looks like a cleaning device here. And this looks like the stick itself, which we'll take a look at in a bit. And then looking here, we got here the battery itself, which is a pretty beefy battery here. To just give you a little closer look at the battery, I'm gonna take it with the plastic. So looking at the battery, it's for the S12, it has a power rating of 25.95 volts. It does not say the amp hours here, so I don't know how much of a charge it holds. Okay. All right, so opening the box here, pulling off this layer, we got here, I think, the core of the vacuum itself. So we have here the actual handheld unit itself, which you can see there. And then it looks like we got the bottom of the unit, the actual brush, which is pretty cool. As you can see here, it's a dual spinning brush. We also have here, this looks like a replacement filter, an air filter, and over here we have, let's see, I'm not too sure what this is, to be honest. Anyways, let's get it assembled and we'll take a look at it. All right, so I do got the vacuum cleaner assembled now. Very easy to assemble. It's pretty much three main pieces here, which is the actual head unit itself, I guess like the tube or the staff, and then the brush here. You can obviously interchange the brush with the other brushes here. So yeah, so this is my first time powering it up. I put in the battery here. It's very easy to clip in and out. I'd show you, but I only have one hand. And I'm gonna pull the trigger and see if we got a charge. And we do. So it comes charged 51%. And it's pretty quiet. That's the first thing I noticed. You can hear it here in the video. Very quiet. I'm gonna look for some dust here that we can test it on. All right, so here we go. You see the LEDs light up a dark area pretty nicely. There you go, and boom, voila. I gotta say, it glides very smoothly. I've used other Honiture vacuums before. Wow, really smooth. All right, so overall, the Honiture vacuum's pretty impressive. The S12, a few noticeable upgrades from the previous Honiture I have. Like I said, I don't remember the model number, but it's a red one. It's a lot quieter. The dust chamber is a lot larger, as you can see here. It has a pretty high capacity. Looking here, it looks like it can hold like almost like a liter. The battery's much easier to remove. It looks like a chunkier one too. And it runs a lot quieter, rides a lot smoother. It's definitely a lot more refined than previous models. Highly recommend. It picks up pretty well. It lights up dark areas. It's perfect for quick cleanups around the house. Absolutely no complaints. Highly recommend this. Great value for the price. Highly recommend.